Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to determine whether the military retirement app is a worthy tool for veterans by walking you through its key functions like calculating your exact retirement pay with current and budgeted pay charts, quickly estimating survivor benefits for your spouse or dependents, tracking your high tree average or final basic pay, automatically updating cost of living adjustments, and offering side-by-side comparisons for different retirement dates or retirement system such as final pay, high tree, or redux, while preserving confidentially because everything stays on your device. And my best tip is to double check the override inputs when modeling retirement scenarios so your estimate stays accurate. So if you're a veteran planning ahead or curious about how much you get one day, this app can save you time and mental math. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips tailored to service members and veterans.